this man.
Goodness. What is it again this morning?
What is what? Did I come to this life to suffer? I be they born me make I can't suffer. Which can go bitch be that one? Yesterday I no eat. 14 days fasting for church I no good down because of you. I don't do fasting by far. See my belly now. I don't get flat tummy. Waiting happen. I can't this like can't suffer. I can't this like can't suffer.
See, goodness, let me tell you. See, when I married you, you were not this fat. You're not fat like this. I helped you, and now that I am telling you to fast, just fast. See, let me tell you, it's almost over. Okay, you will eat today, I'm promising you. Just let me go outside, collect my money, and come back. Then you will eat.
Collect which money?
My money outside.
Which money?
My money from house.
Baba Ijebu money.
Yeah, it's still my money. I have won. Let me go and collect my money. Come back.
Just don't provoke me, oh. It's as fasting I want to do.
It's good for your body. It will make you live long, and you will be closer to God.
Papa, don't go to school.
Imagine. Look at your son.
I wanted to tell you that one. Look at the son you say you gave to me. You are not my son, though, let me tell you.
Like father, like son.
What is like father, like son?
Papa, sorry, now I'm late for school. I'm late for school.
Planned work.
Okay. Hey, Markangelcomedy.
Blood go flow today. No, that today make I know it because blood must flow. If I enter that
What did happen? Why you dey shout like this?
So no, blood go flow today.
Which blood? Na blood of Jesus. Why you dey shout now?
Everywhere go stain with blood. See, Isaac dey owe me money. 90K for 9 months I borrow am. Isaac never give me. I dey call Isaac. Isaac dey see my call, he dey busy am. Isaac dey cut my call.
You say you go try calm down because if you kill am now, na kiri you go. They no go talk about the money again. I know say nobody dey like to joke with them money, but at the same time, try calm down. You carry kpako, you kill am now, you go kiri oh.
Kiri. Dey here, you go hear my scores. You go hear my scores.
Let me owe you money already.
Wetin happen now?
Why you dey? You wan go kill like that one concern you, cha. Me I go there, I go hear scores.
This is how Ukraine and Russia started.
Okay.
You are dragging me here now, and your bamboo is dragging me here. I refuse to be your father. You know why? Because I am like this, and I can see far and tall. My future is bright, but to you, you are lucky you are not my son. If you were my son, I would eat you to the ground.
Now you resemble.
You resemble.
No, they tell me, no, they threaten me.
You don't need DNA test. No DNA test for this
That
one.
is what we should do, because if I don't take DNA, I will mistake this boy for a bamboo. You see, you escaped dwarf. I should tell you. Yes, you escaped 2 inches. This is dwarf. This is you. You almost collide.
It's in your lineage now.
What is in my lineage? See, let me tell you.
You don't see the height.
Okay, it's okay. Don't worry. You go to school. Bamboo, I'm talking to you now. Listen to me. Just go to school. Tell your mistress, as usual, next week I will pay.
Papa, that's the same thing you said last time.
Okay, see, there is a line I want to correct. Tell your bamboo to stop calling me Papa. Just call me brother. Tell him to call me brother.
Don't provoke me, oh.
Isaac!
I say attend to us.
Isaac!
My friend, how are you?
What is happening here?
See, bamboo, you go to school. Don't
Papa,
worry.
I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
You must give us money today. Today.
Okay, wait. See, talk to your son.
Talk to what? Talk to what?
What is going on? Why are they holding like
No, this-
do you have Russians and Ukraine in your house?
No, this is family problem.
Family problem.
Family problem. My friend, how you can go? Don't worry, we settle ourselves.
Isaac, don't ask me to go. Like this, I'm very, very, very angry. If I tell you what brought me here, if I'm supposed to be hitting everywhere with this man, Bali here. This one is go. Isaac, I don't want to go anywhere. We must settle my
Okay,
issue
okay.
today.
See, whatever we want to settle, go to that pool, Baba Ijebu, and wait for me there.
Imagine, look at your life, Baba Ijebu.
Isaac, why are they holding you? What is the problem?
Because you see, my wife here.
Who is your wife?
Okay, but you know her, the woman here. Goodness. And this bamboo, she brought to me to take care of. This one is not my son. You are not my son.
The last time I checked, this is your son now.
Okay, the last time you checked, you forgot to check properly. This bamboo here is not my son. Look at me, look at him. He is like this, and I am like this. The difference is
That's how
very
this useless man, oh.
your father is in Burkina Faso.
Now you be my papa.
Yes.
Now you be my papa. I see the same height.
Oh, because I'm taking care of you.
Why are you holding a matured man like this, man?
Tell him to feed us. He's a man now. Tell him to feed us.
Don't mind that. I've been feeding her. But the food suddenly stopped.
The feed stopped, finished.
Everything finished. So, not that I am not feeding them again. I just want to go out, bring more money, and feed them, including this bamboo that is not my son here.
As if you have what you are doing.
Shut up. Let your father go. What's the problem? What's the problem? What's the own problem?
See, my money. I need money for textbooks. Money for my textbooks, yes.
Oh, that's why you're holding your daddy like this. How much is it?
Only 1,000.
Hey!
Imagine.
What is 1,000?
You are even shouting.
Bamboo, why won't I shout?
You cannot afford 1,000.
You see you and your son.
1,000.
What is common 1,000? That 1,000 we play 15 slip in Bet Naija. 15 slip and you must win one.
You don't tell me your son is in the university.
How is it? The money is 500. Bamboo.
500.
It's
I don't have
500.
1,000. No, let me.
You see you.
Useless
Do
man.
I blame you?
Let me see.
Look at the
God, who did I offend? God, though. Look at what you gave to me.
God gave me to you.
Man, you cannot even
God
go out
gave
and
me.
walk.
I have 200 here. You have to manage it. Everywhere is hard. Just leave your daddy. When you come back, you provide. It's your father now. Just go to school.
Thank you, sir.
Make sure you stand by textbook.
Good
Okay?
man.
Man is useless, man.
Good man. God bless you. Oh yeah, attend to me now.
You should not mind this useless man.
Let your husband go
Look
now.
at
Okay,
that.
just let
You are
him-
lucky. See, let me tell you, your son is lucky. If I were to be your father,
Our son.
it's not.
Our son.
It's not our son.
Isaac,
Eh?
why are you fighting with your wife?
I'm not fighting. We are just
Let him go now.
Will you give me the money?
okay. See,
How
let me tell
much
you.
is it? How much is it?
Oh, you want to give her? How much is the money?
20,000.
What is 20,000? Do you want to hit a full factory? Huh?
How much did you drop inside the house?
How much did I drop? See, let me tell you. It's not up to 20,000. If you have like 200 naira, give her.
200 naira.
How much do you want
For
to
what?
eat? How much have you been using to eat? How much your papa they give you when you to the shop?
You know wetin I dey chop for my house?
When that's when
I dey enjoy. Rich man pikin. You just carry me from that place come and make I come suffer. Sasa
You are
don
not
get
suffer.
flat
Tell
on
you
because
something.
of
were you as fat?
Manage
Hey,
it.
what up?
I should give her the money now. I'm trying to settle issues here.
God will bless you.
Just
Ah,
manage it.
good man. Better go and do something with your life.
Just remember to bring change.
Leave Baba Ijebu alone.
Bring change.
Leave Baba Ijebu alone.
Bring change. That money they gave you, we play more than one bet. What are you telling
What's
me?
wrong with you?
The money you just gave her now is too much. That money is up to play about 15 sleep.
I just
If
have issues for you. Are telling me 15 sleeps.
You are my friend
Is
now.
that what you're supposed to be saying?
What are friends for?
Isaac, leave me.
At least you will shake me. That's what friends are for. Eh?
You are not friends anymore, Isaac.
Eh?
I came here so that I will collect the money you are owing me. Give me my money, oh. Isaac, give me my money.
Eh? Okay. It
You are
was.
owing me 90k. It is not worse. Currently.
You just go to that Baba Ijebu and wait for me there. I will come and meet you.
I should go to Baba Ijebu.
See, I played one game. The game, they assured me that the game will enter. Baba Ijebu himself assured me. You know the owner of Baba Ijebu now? Taiwo Azan.
Taiwo.
Azan, the real owner of Baba Ijebu. He said the game will enter. So I'm going there to collect my money.
When did Taiwo Azan leave acting film to do Baba Ijebu?
Oh, Taiwo Azan is the one that acts. Don't worry, there's his brother. His younger brother.
Okay, his brother.
Kehinde Azan.
Okay.
And that one too. He promised me. You know, the brother is the one that manufactured those results. So you just go. Once I collect my money, I'll come back. The money is very big, about 520,000 naira. Just go.
I should go, Isaac.
I will pay you.
I'm not going anywhere.
I will balance you.
Isaac, if you don't come there, come give me my money. You will see my true color.
I will be there. That is my second house.
I have red and black in my.
That is my second house. Just go.
Tenant, pause there. I said pause there. Oh, you have done the settlement, finish, abi? And you forgot about me? Because this one is your house. Okay? Like this one is your house now. I gave you the house to come and be staying with your children. So you will not pay me.
Is that your landlord? You are owing him.
Coming down. That's my landlord. So I don't know if you still have about 120,000. Just borrow me, let me pay.
I should borrow you 120,000 naira.
Oh, no, you are hearing this alarm that is blowing now. This alarm. This pom. I'll call police if you not pay my money. Are you hearing me now? So that's my own.
Let me pay. Then once Baba Ijebu give me my money, I will balance you.
Okay, you will pay me.
And I will pay you.
Okay, thanks.
Okay.
Zisanu wonzo mwana banila aleze chine. Zisanu wonzo mwana banila aleze chine kete. Ewo Zisanu.
Wizzy, wetin happen? This one you dey do like person wey die. You don let her collect your money.
My brother, I go there, they bill me. Na me come pay am again. Life.
Báyìí dóbò jogo dóbò. Èèyàn gẹ̀lẹ́sìn. Àlọ́jẹ. Jaka níwèé tó gẹ̀lẹ́sìn. Àlọ́jẹ àlọ́ mẹ́. Gẹ̀lẹ́sìn. Àlọ́jẹ.